Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today I am making this famous viral TikTok Italian sub. Fun fact, I really like Italian sub. This is actually one of my favorite subs to eat whenever I go to Publix. These are the ingredients you will need. I am using hoagie roll, mayo, Italian dressing, a little bit of balsamic vinegar, red onion, salt and pepper to your taste. I have some Italian seasoning, tomatoes, banana peppers. I have salami, ham. Also, we have the cheese. I'm using provolone cheese. Of course, you can use any other cheese, Gouda, pepper jack, whatever. Also, we have the lettuce right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to make it before I begin. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. Also, if you like this video, if it was helpful, don't forget to give this video a like for me. And let's begin. Okay guys, we have the lettuce right here. Be sure to wash your lettuce. You can use some water and vinegar, a little bit of baking soda, and just let it sit for about 5 minutes. Rinse it off and wipe it down, okay? So this is the lettuce. I am basically going to add everything on top of the lettuce and chopped everything. I'm going to add the ham on top of the lettuce, just like so. No fancy way, just place it on top. And the pepperoni. This is going to be so good, y'all. I can feel it already. And then we have the salami. Love salami. Like this. And then you can add your cheese on top. I'm using provolone cheese. Just place it anywhere on top, okay? And now we're going to add the onions. These are sweet. It's best to use the red onion. They're not too harsh to taste. There's no really actual measurement for this recipe. It's basically how much you like of everything. If you like lots of onion, add lots of onion. Okay, so that's that. Now we're going to chop everything. So let's go from the back. Make sure you have a nice knife to chop everything. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes. Also, I'm going to be adding the banana peppers. Now you can add as much as you want. If you want it spicy, add more. That's enough for me. Now we're going to chop some more. Now I'm going to add the mayonnaise. Now it's up to you on how much, okay? Add the mayo gradually because you don't want it to get too soggy. So I'm adding just a little bit for now. If I need more, I'll add some more. Now this is Italian seasoning. Add just a little bit. Ooh, yes. Also, I have a little bit of balsamic vinegar and Italian seasoning. Just sprinkle it all over, good amount. And just salt and pepper to taste, okay? A little bit goes a long way with the salt, so be careful. Now we mix it and dice some more, okay? At this point, if you like, you can even place it to a bowl and just mix everything together. You can save this in the fridge whenever you feel like making a sandwich, and you can just add it to your bread. Just mix everything. Looks like our sandwich is ready to go. Now I'm going to slice the bread. All right, guys, I'm ready to try this sandwich. It looks so good. It smells amazing. So let's give it a try. It tastes really, really good, okay? It needs a little bit more banana peppers, but it's so good. Wow, the onion, you can taste it. It's a little zesty from the vinegar. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know down below if you're going to try this one out. I personally recommend you try it out. You will not see me at the Publix line getting a sub ever again, because I can make this at home and it's bomb. So thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.